Hello everyone. So this is question number 7 from the chapter kinematics, rest and motion. Here there is an AT graph which is given here. So acceleration is feet per second square and time in second. For t is equal to 10 second, it is constant. T is equal to 20 second, it is uniform 0, and t is equal to 20 to 30 second, again it is constant with magnitude -5. So this is 5, this is -5. Unit is feet per second square. So now we have to find out the displacement, not displacement, distance of this particle from t is equal to 0 to 30 second. This is in second. So let me draw the VT graph of this. This is t, this is v in feet per second. This is 10 second, then 20 second, then 30 second. So for first 10 seconds the acceleration is uniform. It means dv by dt, that is slope of this VT graph, is uniform. Let it go like this. After that the acceleration is 0, so speed is going to be constant, and after that slope is negative with the same magnitude, so here also it will be same slope with same magnitude. So this is our VT graph. And what is this maximum speed? At t is equal to 10 seconds, it is gaining the speed of, which is equal to area under this AT curve. So this is 5 into 10, that is 50 feet per second. So this is 50 feet per second. So now area under this velocity time graph will give a displacement, and this full area is above the time axis, so full displacement is positive. It means distance is equal to displacement, and that is equal to area under this curve. So area of trapezium is, this is 30, this is 10, so 1 by 2 into base plus into sum of parallel sides, that is 30 plus 10 into this distance, that is 50. So it is going to be 1000 feet. So this distance is 1000 feet, and if we have to plot xt graph, so let this be time t, and this represents x in feet. So for first 10 second it is x, it is with positive acceleration. It means dv by dt is positive. It means d2x by dt square is positive. It means upward curvature, so it is going to be like this. For next 10 seconds it is going to be constant, and for next 10 seconds it is with downward curvature. So this is xt graph. This is for 10 seconds, this is 20 seconds, and this is 30 seconds.